Good morning, students. Today we are going to start another virtual class on title Reward Management and Types of Rewards. Before starting the topic, firstly we have to discuss the actual meaning of reward management. Reward management is concerned with the formulation and implementation of strategies and policies that aim to reward people fairly, equitably, and consistently in accordance with their value to the organization. In very simple terms, it is the responsibility of the HR or top management to formulate and implement the various strategies under which the aim should be to reward the people in such a way so that they could contribute to the organization in a very efficient or very effectively way. See, rewards means it is a sort of motivation factor which compels the employees to perform better in the organization. Next, that is aims of rewards. The first and foremost aim or aims of the reward is fulfill common goals. Common goals means the various objectives and the mission that the organization have already set at the time of inception of their organization. It is the responsibility of the employees to achieve that goal. Focus on outcome. See, the major objective of every rewards is to focus on outcome. Outcome may be in the form of productivity, in the form of growth, in the form of production. It may be anything which is defined by the organization. Another major part or major objective of reward is attract and retain the quality employees. Attract means we need to achieve our objectives, but for that purpose we need to hire best or talented people from the market. And the best way to hire the employees from outside the organization is to provide a better compensation as well as the rewards so that they could attract towards our organization. Next is retain the quality employees. See, in today's scenario, it is one of the most challenging tasks that we need to retain our employees. How we can retain? This is totally depends upon our reward system, how we are giving them a better reward for retaining in the organization. See, nowadays every employee has the opportunity that he or she can take or avail different opportunities which are providing by the different organization. Now the next is motivate employees. In previous classes we have already discussed rewards or the financial incentives. These are the major component which attract the employees and which motivate the employees to perform better in the organization. High performance culture. In previous virtual class we have already covered high performance culture or high performance teams. See, when we are moving ahead with the objective that we have to achieve a better performance team or a better performance culture in our organization, we need to attract a better or quality employees from the market, or we need to retain a quality employees in the organization so that in a long run they could provide a better output to the organization. Next is the major topic that we are going to discuss in this unit, that is types of rewards. See, types, when we talk about the types of rewards, there are different categories through which we can study the different types of rewards that are provided in every organization. See, in this slide, you will find there are four categories. The first one is extrinsic and intrinsic rewards. Second one is financial and non-financial rewards. Third one is performance based rewards, and fourth one is membership based rewards. See, these are the different four categories that we are going to discuss in detail in this chapter. Let's start with the first category, that is extrinsic and intrinsic rewards. Let's start with the first one, is extrinsic rewards. Under this category, the first type of reward is, that is pay. Pay means the remuneration that the employee is getting from the organization in return of their work. See, it is the responsibility of every organization that they have to pay a fair amount to their employees of whatever the work they are performing in the organization. And it again a vice versa situation where it is the responsibility of the employees that they have to give extra efforts to achieve the common goals of the organization. See, when the employee performs, at the same point of time the organization gain growth, and with this growth the employee gets better return from the management. Another one is fringe benefit. In later on virtual classes, we are also going to discuss the concept of fringe benefits. Here I'll discuss a little bit about the fringe benefits. See, the fringe benefits are those benefits which doesn't include any sort of cash payment directly to the employees. Here, instead of cash, different types of rewards are paid to the employees, such as a tour, gift, voucher, membership. These are the example of fringe benefits. Now the job security. Uh, Here the time has already gone where when people join the government sector and they can say that our job is secure. But nowadays most of the employees, they are working in either in multinational corporations or different organizations. Here the concept of job security is related with, we have to ensure the employees that we are giving them a regular job. Under the regular concept, it means we are giving the security that without any reason you cannot say that you leave the organization. Job security means we are giving a security that if you are working in multinational corporation, you are secure. You are not going to fire without any reason in the organization. Good working environment. Environment, again, one of the most important factor where we are working. See, or environment means the cordial relationship among the employees, the cordial relationship among employee and employer, the cordial relationship between the employees, employer and the society, the cordial relationship between employer and the government. These are the various types of relationship that is necessary for every organization. Now status, promotion, again one of the important factor. With the passage of time, every employee seeks promotion from the organization. This promotion means upgradation from existing level to higher level. Higher level means we are promoting our employees from existing level to another level where the level of work plus the challenging tasks will be added, along with the salary proportion or the remuneration promotion will also be increased. Next one is recognition and praise. Again, one of the important factor under the extrinsic rewards, where recognitions in the form when the employee is performing very well, we have to identify those employees and we need to give certain appreciation or recognition that you are performing very well, and for this we need to give a certificate or we need to highlight their recognition in different types of meetings so the morale of the employees can be boosted. Another type of rewards is intrinsic rewards. Here the category of the category or the types are very less, but it is important to boost the motivation level of employees achievement. See, if one employee achieves something in the organization, it is necessary that we have to recognize their achievement. Involvement means now we are going to involve our employees in different types of suggestion programs, decision making programs, so that they could feel they are a part of the family. Independency means uh, independency means reducing the level of supervision. When we try to impose certain instructions or supervision on the employees, he or she works under the fear. At that point of time, there could be a chances of mistakes. So we need to give certain level of independency to the employees. Participation again, for certain decision making programs we need to give freedom to the employee so that he could take certain decisions in the different organizational meetings. Next category, financial rewards. Again, some categories or some types under the financial rewards would be same as compared to the extrinsic or intrinsic rewards. Under the financial rewards, the first one is the pay that we have already discussed under the extrinsic rewards. Second one is allowance. Allowances means, see, the purpose of allowances is to reduce the tax level of the employees, and it could not be added as a regular income under the category of base pay. Allowances means this is the transportation allowances, it could be the dearness allowances. These are the allowances which could be increased or decreased with the passage of time. Fringe benefit that we have already discussed, and later on in subsequent virtual classes will discuss in detail. Bonus means it is always paid at the end of the existing financial year. Bonus is always paid from the profits, profit sharing. Again, one of the type of financial rewards which is paid to the executives so that we could retain the best top talent in our organization. Retirement benefits. Again, one of the important benefits. For such benefits, we have different plans such as retirement plans. Even we have different types of laws, provident fund and miscellaneous law. Under this, some amount are deducted by the organization and same amount is contributed by the employer, so that the amount could be deposited in their provident fund as well as in their pension account, and at the time of retirement the employee can avail the provident fund as well as the retirement prize and awards. See, prize which involves When one performs extraordinary in the organization, we need to recognize that employee so that we could motivate him with the help of prize. This prize could be 100 rupees, 200, 500. Awards, this could be the mementos. Now, the non financial rewards. Non financial rewards, which includes certain aspects that we have already covered in intrinsic rewards, such as achievement, recognition, appreciation, respect. Respect is one of the important. When we are dealing our employees, we need to give them respect. Praise, affiliation, independency, participation. These are the different types of categories that we have already covered under the intrinsic rewards. Student, the second part of the types of rewards will be discussed later on. In case you feel any query, kindly mail me on sonu.du@kclimt.com, or you can personally call me on my mobile number. Thank you very much.